At LoneStar Fasteners, we've spent decades manufacturing critical bolting solutions for the world's most demanding industries with precision, reliability, and performance at the core of everything we do. Now, we're excited to bring that same level of quality and expertise closer to our Western European customers with the opening of our new entity in the Netherlands. Our EU base enables frictionless trade, complete CBAM and PFAS compliance, and streamlined logistics with full shipping support across the region. We're also providing local technical support at scale so customers benefit from fast response times, deep industry knowledge, and a collaborative approach to solving complex challenges. LoneStar Fasteners Hydrobolt Europe, manufacturing excellence delivered locally. Let's build something stronger together.